Hey everybody, in today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the flashlight feature on the Garmin Instinct Crossover watch. I'm using the solar version. It shouldn't matter whether you've got the solar or the non-solar version. This feature is going to be the same for everybody. I'll also say that the flashlight works a lot like the Garmin Instinct 1 and the Garmin Instinct 2 watches. It's going to be very similar to an Apple Watch if you're somebody coming from an Apple Watch. I'll say this, if you're interested in having a flashlight on your watch, you want to look at other models like the Fenix 7X that have the built-in LED flashlight up at the top. Those are really awesome. I mean, that's a full-on flashlight. This is going to be more so of a watch face that glows, and that's what we're going to be looking at. There are no brightness options on the Garmin Instinct Crossover. On the Fenix models, you can adjust the flashlight and you can adjust the color of the LEDs. You're not going to see anything like that with this watch. So first and foremost, there's a couple of different ways you can set the flashlight on the watch. You could set it as a hotkey, which means when you press a certain combination of your keys, it will turn on the flashlight. The easiest way to do it is just to simply put it in your control menu. I've done a video in the past that walks you through how to do that. I'm going to press and hold the top left button, which is the control button. And you can see I've got flashlight added there. It's down here at the bottom. I will say this, I went ahead and added brightness as well. Brightness has nothing to do with the flashlight. Brightness is going to control your backlight. Anytime you turn on the backlight, if I press a button, if I've got it set for alerts, if I've got it set for alarms, that brightness setting is going to control your backlight setting. The flashlight is always going to be at full brightness. So just a little FYI. I've got in my control menu, I can simply use the up or down button to navigate to it. When I want to turn on the flashlight, I'm going to press the GPS button, and then when we want to turn it off, we're going to press the back button. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to turn off my backlight, or my desk light, and we're going to turn on the flashlight. And that's what it looks like. Your analog hands move to the bottom. Again, it's not super bright. If you're looking for something on your nightstand, something like that, maybe you're using it in the deer stand or the duck blind or something, it might help you out a little bit, but it's going to be hard to really use it for any functional purpose. In my case, though, it just helped me find the light for my desk light, so that's pretty good. Flashlight is still on. When you're ready to turn it off, simply press the back button, and it'll take you back to your control menu, and it'll turn off your flashlight. Pretty simple stuff, at least. I hope it gives you an idea of what the flashlight feature looks like on the Garmin Instinct Crossover watch. As always, thanks for watching.